Bill Higham Marine here with another How To Tuesday. If you've got an old engine with an oil seal leak on the prop shaft, then a quick and easy way of changing that oil seal without having to snatch the guts out of the gearbox is this. Are you ready? So come on in and I'll show you what we're going to do. Can you see in between the seal lip and the seal body, there's a little gap there. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a small hole in there with this little die grinder, and then we're going to screw a self-tapper into it, and we're going to do the same on the other side, and then we're going to pull, and hopefully, if it works properly, the seal is going to come out. So drain your gearbox first, and then let's do this. Okay, so you can't use a drill bit because it'll snap the drill bit because we're at a bit of an angle, and we're only going to drill like a 2.5mm hole for a 3mm self-tapper. So here we go. It's stainless steel, so you want to cut slowly with stainless. Okay, we're about far enough in there now. So we've got one that side, we'll do another one this side. And you want to be as far to the outside as you can possibly get. Okay, so we've got our second hole in now. Let's screw our screw in. Okay, that's one on that side. So we've come halfway. That one's pulled out. We're going to need to put another hole in there and another hole in there. All right, so we've drilled 4 holes in the seal. Very, very important. The seal lip runs around the shaft. That's rubber, but the thing that holds the rubber is a rim of steel that's at this kind of angle all the way around. You've got to drill right into the steel. If you drill into the lip, it just won't work. So when you are using your little Dremel, put outward pressure that way so that you're right up against the seal edge, and then you drill your hole. Once you've drilled your hole, you screw your screws in. We've used 4 here. Once you've done that, the fun bit, we can start levering it out. So grab the screw with your mollies and begin the levering process. And you want to do a bit at a time. You don't want to do one all the way, or you're liable to pull the fixing before it's done its work. So just a bit at a time. Okay, that's come a little bit. Now we'll do the bottom one. And there she is. So a much easier way of getting a seal out, especially on an older engine, because this one, it's 1985, 88-ish. All the bearing carrier is going to be seized solid, so we don't want to disturb it. It's going to take so much time and effort heating it up, pulling it out, new parts, lots of labour for a customer that doesn't want to spend a lot of money. This will take half an hour, 3/4 of an hour, and all you've got is the price of a few screws and a new seal. So we'll now clean that area up, press a new seal in, and pressure test her. Hope that was helpful.